Hey Lavish fam, welcome back to another vlog. Well, I just came home from work and I'm still in my work clothes. All I did was take off my work shirt that had the name of the company. But anyway, I came home and realized I had a package. So I figured I would open it with you guys. Today is Thursday. So this is the box. And let's see what's in the box. Okay, it's a little tougher than I thought. Let's see. We're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, so I'm struggling. Okay, hold on. Hold please. Okay, so hold on, my head itching. Look. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. So it has this bag here, a shopping bag or gift bag. It's some shoes. Okay, so this is, well, let's start with the smaller box. Okay, so this is the box. Ooh, so it just comes with all of the information about it. And I received this, y'all, from TideLocker. I've worked with them in the past. They are a company that sells one-to-one replicas of luxury items. And so this is the second time that I believe I've worked with them. But either way, it just comes with information about the bag, all types of stuff, a ribbon. Aw, this little rose or flower, and then it has a sticky. You can stick it somewhere too, but. And then it comes in the little dust bag. And then it's wrapped in paper that says Chanel. Just like kind of when you go to the store to buy them. This is super cute. I don't have a purple purse, so this is so cute. This is gonna be super cute for the summer. It's a smaller crossbody that holds enough, it's big enough to hold my phone, my keys, and my little wallet. Has a little pocket on the back. And then, y'all know I love me some crossbody purses. It also has a little slot in the inside for something. And then you just close it as such. Just turn it. This is super cute. Super cute for the summer. And then it has the chain where you can basically, you can adjust it if need be. You can do it as a shoulder bag or, because it's adjustable, you can do it as a shoulder bag or, oh, look at this. It has the little cute Chanel things on the end right there. But you can do it either as a crossbody or as a shoulder bag. But that's it. All right. So that's one of two, rather. Sorry. It's been a long day, y'all. Long day. I just came from work. Okay, so then I have this. And these are shoes. Also comes with, you know, all of this paperwork. It comes with another pair of shoestrings. It also has the little flowers. These are super cute. It has a dust bag. And then it comes with the Chanel paper. Okay. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Okay. These are cute. Look at those. So it's gonna, does it match? I mean, no, it don't. But that's okay. That is okay. So it has the shoestrings in there, but it also came with an extra pair, and they look the same, pretty much. They are the same. So let's see if it fits. Because, baby, her got some big feet. I wear a size 10 in women. So let's see what they looking like on these big feet of mine. The inside's cute, too. Okay, let me try them on. Take off my work shoe. Okay, so they're a little tight. Yeah. Let me let you see what they look like. So they are a little tight, but they are super cute. That's okay because, you know, I got Ariel who'll probably want them. That's unfortunate because these babies are super, super cute. I don't know. Yeah. Either way, they're super, super cute. I'm going to link all of their information down below so you guys can check them out. And I'm going to also put my discount code. I believe it's Nisha10. Either way, it'll be on the screen, and it'll also be in the description box below if you guys are interested. Like I said, this is my second time working with them, and I mean, the purse is gorgeous. The shoes are too. I absolutely adore the shoes. Unfortunately, my feet are just too big for them. Yeah, they're super cute. You see that it has Chanel on the corner, on the tip right there. They seem to be very, very good quality as well. They feel good on my feet. Unfortunately, like I said, my toe is like right at the end. That's the only problem, but they are very, very cute and they ship fast. But either way, I'll link all this stuff below, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.